let us proceed to the question number 7. And the question number 7, it is telling, in how many years will rupees 950 produce rupees 399 as simple interest at 7%. Now the information is given: principal rupees 950, interest 399 and rate equal to 7% per annum. We have to find out the time. We can use E equal to I into 100 upon P into R, or I equal to PRT by 100, substituting the correct values at their correct places. We will transpose all the numerical values and we will get the one of the unknown value, that is T. Therefore, we can write 399 into 100 upon P, that is 950, into R, 7. Cancelling the common factors, we will get 7 5s are 35, that is 57, 19 3s are, that will be 6. So we will get time, that is T equal to 6. Therefore, time required equal to 6 years. Now let us see question number 10. In question number 10, it is asking, in what time will the interest on a certain sum of money at 6% be 5 by 8 of itself? In this question, it is very important to understand that it is telling us that interest becomes 5 by 8 of itself, that is 5 by 8 of principal. So we have assumed sum, that is principal, be rupees X. Then our interest will be 5 by 8 of principal, that is X. Rate is given 6% per annum and we have to find out time. We know that time is equal to I into 100 by P into R. Now substituting the values, we can get 5 by 8 X into 100 by P, that is X, into R. What is rate? 6. Cancelling this one, we will get 4 2s are, and this one is 25. That will be time equal to 125 by 12 years, which we can write 12 1 0 5 years. Here we have converted into the mixed fraction, which we can write it as 10 year plus 5 by 12 into 12 months. 12 cancel, so we can write it as 10 years and 5 months. You can leave the answer in mixed fraction format or you can change. I have made it, or I have converted this one. The reason is only that if the question is asking to change in years and months, then you have to convert that into years and month as a final answer. Okay? Now let us see question number 12, where Raj borrows rupees 8,000, out of which rupees 4,500 at 5% and remaining at 6%. Find the total interest paid by him in 4 years. So here Raj has taken money, total money equal to rupees 8,000. But first part, that is 4,500, he has to pay at 5%, and the remaining, for the remaining we have to subtract 4,500 from 8,000, that will be equal to 3,500. That money, that principal will be having the interest, the rate of interest at 6%. So let us see. I have taken over here the case 1, which is in which the principal is rupees 4,500. Rate given for the first case is 5% and time is 4 years. So interest to be paid or to pay on rupees 4,500 will be 4,500 into 5 into 4 by 100. That will be equal to rupees 900. Second case, because in the second case it is telling that 6% on the remaining. So for the remaining have to subtract 4,500 from 8,000. So that will give us the new or the remaining principal equal to rupees 3,500, where the rate of interest is 6% and time 4 years. So interest to pay on rupees 3,500 will be 3,500 into 6 into 400, and that will be equal to rupees 840. In the question it is asking to find the total interest paid by him in 4 years. So total interest equal to I1 plus I2. I1 we have calculated 900, I2 840. I1 we have 900 and I2 840. The total will be equal to 1740. So, but here you can see we have not written unit rupees. If you miss the unit rupees, then you may lose your 1 marks for your final answer. So always try to write the answer in the respective unit, and if it is in the decimal, then you have to write up to the 2 decimal places or either in the mixed fraction. Okay. Let us see question number 13, where Mohan is lending 4,800 to John for 4.5 years and 2,500 to Shyam for 6 years and earning total interest 2196, that is rupees 2,196. See in question number 13, Mohan has lent money to John and Shyam. He has lent money to John rupees 4,800 and to Shyam 2,500. The time period is different. For the John it is 4.5 years and for Shyam it is 6 years. But the rate is same. So we have assumed the rate be capital R. So from there we are finding out the interest earned from John will be equal to PRT upon 100. Our principal is in this case is 4,800. Time is 9/2 and rate as it is. So we will get interest equal to 216 capital R. Same manner we will find the interest earned from Shyam, that is I2 will be equal to PRT upon 100, that is 2,500 into 6 into R upon 100 will be equal to 150 R. Now in this question it is telling us that Mohan earns total interest equal to rupees 2196. So total interest earned by Mohan is equal to rupees 2196. That is interest earned from the John and interest earned from the Shyam, which we have 216 and 150. 216 R plus 150 R equal to 2196. So we can add them and we will find out the rate. Therefore we can get 366 R equal to 2196. R will be equal to 2196 upon 366. Cancelling them by 6. So we will get 6 3s are and 6 6s are and 6 6 are again. So finally we will get 6. Therefore rate equal to 6%. This will be the final answer because the rate is same in both the cases. So first of all we have calculated the interest earned from the John, that was 216 R, and from the Shyam 150 R. Total interest earned by him is rupees 2196. So the rate of interest is 6% for both the cases. Okay.